Presenting Canon EOS Mirrorless Digital Camera. The EOS R camera's newly designed multifunction bar provides a high level of functionality and customization options for fast and intuitive shooting. The EOS R camera features a sophisticated AF system with a maximum of 5,655 manually selectable AF points. With the EOS R camera's all-new flexible priority AE mode, you can easily set features such as shutter speed, aperture, and ISO to respond automatically or manually for greater convenience and flexibility. This product comes with a 30.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and DIGIC-8 image processor. It has UHD 4K video recording capability. Inside the box, you will find the camera, battery and battery charger. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Presenting Fujifilm X-T200 24.2 megapixel mirrorless camera with XE 15 to 45mm lens. This camera comes in 4 color variants of silver, black, dark silver and champagne gold. It also comes in 2 pattern variants of camera and camera plus memory card. The camera has large APS-C CMOS image sensor, approximately 24.2 megapixels, copper wiring structure, hybrid phase, contrast detection, autofocus, highly accurate face and eye detection algorithm. The camera features focus in dimly lit environments up to -2.0 EV, vari-angle 3.5-inch or 16:9 aspect ratio widescreen, LCD touchscreen and advanced filters. It also features quality 4K Full HD video recording modes and new HDR movie mode. Inside the box, you will find XT200 with 15 to 45mm lens, lithium-ion battery NPW126S, USB cable, headphone adapter, shoulder strap, body cap and basic manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting the Nikon D3500 24.2 megapixel digital SLR camera. It uses a CMOS image sensor that ensures focusing is smooth, accurate and fast. Coupled with the XSpeed 4 image processor, the camera enables you to capture high-quality photographs in Full HD. Capturing moving objects is easy with the camera's 11-point autofocus system that seamlessly maintains focus. It comes with a 3.0-inch LCD screen and offers Full HD video recording. Its ISO 100 to ISO 25600 sensitivity range allows you to capture high-quality photography in a wide range of lighting conditions. The user-friendly camera comes with auto mode and guide mode, where you can follow simple on-screen guidance to capture images. This camera comes with connectivity options like Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth to transfer your images and videos. This camera comes with lens, 16GB memory card, carry case and camera bag. The camera is available for purchase with 18 to 55 mm and 70 to 300 mm lens. This Nikon D3500 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail the EMI option. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Panasonic.